So for today's episode, we have three professors from the Department of Applied Biology. We have Dr. Deboja Sharma here. She is the Associate Professor of the department. And next, we have Dr. Madhusmita Borthakur. And also, we have Dr. Ditimoni Dutta. Thank you so much, all three of you, for being here today. And I believe that we'll have a very insightful episode today.
Thank you so much, Ava, for welcoming us in this episode. First of all, I'll like to introduce myself as you have introduced already. I am Dr. Madhusmita Borthakur, Assistant Professor, working in the Department of Applied Biology since 2019. Biotechnology is such a department. Applied Biology is such a department. It's a founder department of the university. We have started since 2011. Under Department of Applied Biology, we have three divisions. We have the sections for biotechnology, microbiology, and food science and technology. For biotechnology also, we are having BSc Biotechnology and MSc Biotechnology. And we have a very strong alumni in the Department of Applied Biology. Our alumni are placed in IIT, our alumni are placed in IISc, in NIPERS, in pharmaceutical researchers and all, and in NISERS also. In many reputed institutions, our alumni are placed. Apart from that, our alumni are also into very renowned companies. Means we are always having campus interviews after the students have finished their MSc programs. And they are placed in a very reputed companies Imami is there, then Britannia is there, then Marico is there, where our students have been placed. Apart from that, few of our students have also started their own startups. We always encourage our students to go with these startups. Coming to the section of the biotechnology, our students, we does not only go with the studies of the students, okay? We also emphasize more into research apart from the studies, okay? That we'll discuss later on. Ma'am will also introduce about the section microbiology.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deboja Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Applied Biology. So my specialization is on microbiology. So when students come, so I want to emphasize on it, microbiology, when you say it's a specialized subject which having a diverse options, like agriculture microbiology, food microbiology, then environmental, medical microbiology, industrial microbiology. So when a student take admission in microbiology, so they have a various options. When they go through the whole curriculum, they know what they are interested. After studying only, they will come to know what they are interested. They are interested in medical microbiology, or they are interested in food microbiology, or your industry. So in that way, you have various field where they can go. It is not only you are stuck in one thing. So your options are broadened in case of microbiology. So in our department, we go for internship. We encourage our students to go for internship based on their likings. If the students are interested in industry, they go to Marico for internship. Then in many hospitals, Health City, Apollo, so many students, they go for internship. Okay, and they learn many things. They deal with the patients. So they have a hands-on training on that. So this is what we give the opportunity to the students. And many students, they have done internship in your agricultural field also. In a Jorhat Agricultural University, they have done their internship. They have learned many things. So it is an applied thing where you can apply the course microbiology. It's needed in all the fields. So it's a very emerging subjects, and it is having a great scope in all the fields of your studies.
And over here, ma'am, can you please let the viewers know about your program about food science and technology?
Okay, thank you. First of all, warm greetings of the day. I am Dr. Ditimoni, Assistant Professor from the Department of Applied Biology under the program Food Science and Technology. So thank you for the opportunity provided. So I am here to say about the Food Science and Technology program. So our program, they runs the undergraduate professional courses of food science, and also it provides the PhD courses. So our students, they gain a deep knowledge about the food sciences. So subjects are many, as I can name them, are like that: food microbiology, cereal technology, dairy, meat and meat products, and our food preservation processing units. So the facilities, our department which we acquire, the infrastructure, it's been funded by the Ministry of Food Processing and Industries, Government of India, MOFPI. So we have a unit operation lab. So also we have quality testing facilities, food packaging, food sciences, and then processing, fruits and vegetable processing unit as well. Also, where our student gets a deep practical skills along with their as usual theory courses. I like to say that our alumni, they are placed in very premium institutes, like the masters. They are now pursuing their masters in Rajiv Gandhi University, Assam Agriculture University, Northeast Hill University, and also some are pursuing PhD. And our alumni, they are placed in many industries also. Some are research associate in Ministry of Food Processing, Government of Meghalaya. They are serving as junior analyst in Assam Skill University. And we can, if we go for career opportunity as well, we can go for food safety operation conduct. Every year the food safety FSSAI and FCI, Food Corporation of India, they go for technical officer examination, quality analyst examination. So our student, they have a wide scope in this field as well. Also our state, every state, they conduct food safety officer examination. This program, we have initiated a new fresh initiative known as USTM Fresh, which is very new, where our students, it's a aim to conduct earn while learning program, we can say. Our students, while learning their regular classes, they also have that earning program as well. We name it as Earn to Learn. So where our students, they get real-time applications, real-time hand-on experience on market survey, product development, financial management as well. So it's a very small initiative toward reaching our goal to create an entrepreneurship mindset in them, where our student, it is aligned with the NEP 2020's initiative of skill development with innovation. So we have that, we create a startup mindset to our student as well. And also we conduct training programs in collaboration with ministries, small and medium enterprises, and Prime Minister PMFME, Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya. We also have training partners with AIDC, Assam Industrial Development Corporation, Government of Assam, and also Khadi Village Commissions, Government of India. And also the skill development program, ongoing project skill development program is going for entrepreneurship in the program as well. So it has immense scope. So initiative like USTM Fresh, it's a very small step to reaching that goal, and we prepare our students not to go for search for job. We prepare them to create jobs, and like Fresh, the first step like USTM Fresh is a very initial step to reach that goal.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving forward, I myself is a student, so I'm also very curious about the new education policy, and also just like me, there will be many students who would want to take admission in our university. So under the Department of Applied Biology, can you please let us know what does the new education policy give us?
Okay, thank you for the question. So new education policy, it's really a very confusing for many students. Like it started at USTM in the year 2022, and according to the new education policy, it is student-centric. Okay, student-centric. So that means the students have a taste of other subjects as well. That means if they are going for microbiology or biotechnology, they have one paper like your minor paper, IDMG, or major paper, like IDMG, IDMN, like this paper. So in this, like it is an interdisciplinary major or minor paper. So in that, they can opt other courses also apart from their major courses. They can opt courses from botany, zoology, as well as art subject also. So in that case, they know what they want actually. They know, means they will learn like what they want actually. When if you don't get the taste of other subjects, will not know what is your goal,
Right.
what you want.
Right.
So NEP, the mission of NEP is totally student centric, and to assure the students and to give the taste of the students that after you leave the university, you can build something, like you can have your like goal, like what you need, you know that. And NEP actually they want like skill based. All the programs should be skill based. So we have the course like SBS. So it's a skill based course, skill and vocational based course. Then we have the GC courses, then your VAC courses, VSc courses. So all these things, what is the main aim is that they can learn the techniques, skill. So that is very important. Apart from theory classes, skill is very important.
Right.
So in a way, like USTM, it's the first university we have started NEP in the year 2022, and we are running very good. Students, we give orientation program for the students regarding the NEP, and they are aware like what they have to choose. If they are taking microbiology, that whether they will choose food science or botany, so that they can go for the interdisciplinary research also. If they take chemistry and micro, or chemistry or biotechnology, they go well. Physics, so they can get interdisciplinary research. Research is in the field of research also is very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such an elaborate answer to the question.
Thank you.
As ma'am has said about NEP, like in NEP also, like we have introduced MOOCs courses. Like MOOCs courses are there. Like we have already introduced that MOOCs courses when NEP was implemented in USTM. Like Government of India has given some portal, like SWAM portal, where students can go directly into such courses. They can take such courses. They need to have an exam where they will be getting certificate based on that course. Okay, need not have to go into that complete curriculum. It is not something with where they have to rigidly fixed with their timetable. They can do it in anywhere from their home also. They can do that MOOCs courses. Apart from that, like our syllabus is completely designed as per the NEP concept. Like as ma'am said, like full syllabus is applied. Like we give internship to the students. There are lots and lots of scopes in biotechnology. Everyone is know that applied biology is something. The scopes is not only limited to the bookish knowledge. It's have to be applied somewhere. Biotechnology, it's completely research oriented. Similarly, microbiology. Under biotechnology, like under applied biology, we have sister concern courses like biotechnology, microbiology. All these are practical based. We are giving that practical implementations to our students. Our students can take such courses. Apart from that, like students, since I have already said that they will be taking they can take these MOOCs courses where they can give the exams and all, and then they will get the certificate. Under NEP also, we have multiple exit, multiple entry also. Okay, the students means after if they want to continue 3 years program of BSc, they can continue. They will be getting the degree. If they want to leave after 3 years, they can. But we have this from this year itself, we have introduced 4 years of our BSc. After 4 years of the BSc, they can directly choose 1 year of their masters, which is integrated completely with their PhD later. We also give, as we know that applied biology also give bachelor's courses, master's courses and the PhD courses.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Also, I was also curious about the competitive exams. Can you please brief us something about that?
Yes, apart from the government competitive exams, like Department of Applied Biology give special trainings for the competitive exams. Like we are having a best practice in USTM. That is not best practice in USTM. Like USTM is one such way is showing one of the best practice. Like those who clear the competitive exam, they will be getting whole fees refunded. That is one of the best practice. In terms of competitive exams, we encourage our students to apply for GATE. GATE exam is there. Graduate aptitude test. We encourage our students to go for SLET, state level eligibility test. We encourage our students to go for CSIR NET, ICAR NET, Indian Council of Agricultural Research NET. We also encourage our students to go for DBT BET. Then GATE is there, like a graduate aptitude test is also there. Then of course this common university exam is there. And then not only that, our faculties used to give free coaching. We also invite external faculties also for the free coaching. Like our internal faculties along with the external faculties comes for the free coaching and give proper free coaching to the students who is willing to give net examinations. And life science, we have to apply for the paper life science. Life science is not only for the Department of Biotech or Department of Micro. We also do have zoology, botany. So we always we are in a collaboration with the Department of Botany, Department of the Zoology, where faculties from zoology also guide our students, faculty from botany also guide our students, those who are interested for the competitive exams. And we are having regular based coaching classes for the competitive exams. And yes, our lots and lots of students clear competitive exams every year, and they used to get free fees from the USTM. That is one of the best practice of USTM.
Thank you, ma'am. I think USTM is doing a really good thing by helping students like this, especially for students who are less fortunate. So I'm really grateful to be a student one, and also thank you so much for clearing out that. Also, again, as a student myself, the Department of Applied Biology is very new to me, but again, since the 3 programs are here, students might get confused as to where to apply, whether it be biotechnology or microbiology or food sciences. So can you please explain the department programs and how it is divided?
Yes, students often used to get confused regarding like BSc. They will go for BSc Biotechnology or BSc Microbiology. Nothing. If students want to go for BSc Biotechnology, they can do Masters in Biotechnology. They can go for PhD also in biotechnology. But as ma'am has said, something interdisciplinary. If the students will go for BSc Biotechnology, they can also choose MSc in microbiology. They can also go for PhD in microbiology. And from this year itself, we have started one new courses under NEP. That is MSc in Biotechnology and Bioinformatics. You might have heard that nowadays everything is been everywhere artificial intelligence can be seen. It has doomed everywhere. So machine learning is one of the important. So implementing this biological science data with the machine is quite important. So we have introduced bioinformatics, and the bioinformatics is one of the major subject for the master's program. So it is a different course, like different program, MSc in Biotechnology and Bioinformatics. Ma'am will also elaborate about.
As Madhusmita has said, that this applied biology, that like biotechnology, microbiology and food science and technologies are applied course. Okay, so of course, like for that, practical is very important, and the research. So we have lots of research opportunity in the field of biotechnology and microbiology and food science as well. And in our department, I can say in the Department of Applied Biology, we encourage students to go for research directly from the first semester. We don't wait for the second semester. Those who are interested in research, they have that research mind. We don't have to wait for the second semester that the student will be more mature. It's not like that. So research can be done in any age. So we encourage the students for research, and of course there are many students who are doing small projects under the Department of Applied Biology. Small research they are doing, and there are like lots and lots of innovations are there in the Department of Applied Biology. Lots of innovations, and I'm very happy to share like in the department only, like students who get patent. Okay. Students who publish paper along with the faculty members. Okay, there are lots of students who have got like paper publications right from the graduation level itself. From the graduation level, there are students who have got patent. Okay, and recently also, as it was in the news, like one PhD students who has got patent. So I'm very proud to say that. And in the Department of Applied Biology, this is what is very important. Like to encourage the students for research and to publish paper, to get patent, and students are doing too good on that. And okay, and in that I also want to mention one thing, that in our department also we have a startup. So one more thing I want to add here, that based on the research only, the students they got an like opportunity for startup also. So they have formed a company. The students have formed a company known as Biotechnology Private Limited, and the other department and of applied biology, as well as some students from the electronics department. So this is how far the students has gone, only because of their dedication and their research and encouragement from the faculty members.
Right. I think the students are excelling in the department because of the faculty encouragement and of how professionally you handle situations. So even the faculties play a very huge role in it. So I'm really happy to hear that.
Thank you.
In fact, we can say that like we used to get many ideas from such a young minds, and like in our department also we have many funded projects which are funded by the government sponsored funded projects, actually from the Department of Science and Technology, from ICMR. Like we are having many projects also. In fact, our university also provide us seed money to do small projects, and where we throw these ideas, or sometimes students throw such ideas to us, and we actually used to mentor them. Ultimately, they are the one, through their own dedication, they used to handle such things. And like as per ma'am said, they used to have patents, they used to have the research publications, not only the students who are from MSc, but also the students who are from the BSc. Like age doesn't matter. The ideas, the skills we are getting from such a young minds.
Right. Thank you so much. So moving along, I would also like to know about the department outreach activity and then the various practices that goes on, including the students as well as the faculty.
Yes, it's very creating. Like our students are also present not only in the state level, they are also present in the national level. Means not only our department, whole USTM you can see. Students are so active not only in the education but also in the field of cultural. Students are there doing many outreaches activities are there. In fact, during the time of COVID also we have seen lots of students have taken participated in the social walks activities. Not only during the COVID, during the this flood conditions also. Flood also they used to take active participants. Apart from the students are participating in the national level competitions, including the singing competition, dancing competition. Apart from the students are also present in the NCCs. Okay, everywhere you can see the students of USTM is present, not only in the field of research, not only in the field of education, students are also present in the field of cultural activities. Yes, we too are strong in the field of cultural.
Alright, thank you so much.
So from the food sciences, we have a strong linkages with the industries. Our students, they perform their internship programs in organizations like Amul, Purabi Dairy, State Public Health Laboratory, and also Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology situated in Guwahati, and also in SRD Nutrients. So industrial collaboration across Northeast and Assam we have been tied up with. And apart from our academic activities, our students have also have deep involvement in extracurricular activities. One of our students, they got national award in a silver medal in national game like Kaliyapattu. So this type of recognition bring us joy. So our aim is to not to make academic excellence or entrepreneurship development, just the aim to make USTM a hub for research and innovation globally.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright viewers, these were the three professors who are very zealous and ambitious in teaching students, and due to which, because of their hard work and their encouragement, the students of USTM are excellent in everything they do. So we're coming to an end. Is there anything that any one of you would like to share to the viewers or the students from your part?
Okay, we have already shared about the insight of Department of Applied Biology, about the new course, and the takeaway is that it's like biotechnology, microbiology and food science. It is a sister concern department and sister concern course, and it is an applied course. So there shouldn't be any confusion between the all the three courses. They can always go from after the UG, they can always choose their master degree either from like biotech to micro or micro to biotech and food science. So in all the three courses, there is a lots and lots of scope. So there is nothing without the microbiology students. In every way you need the quality control. Even the food science, there are lots of development in the food science sectors. In biotechnology, without biotechnology, there are there is nothing like bioinformatics is again a part of biotechnology. So I can say that it's a very good.
COVID vaccine was possible because of biotechnology.
Right,
Without biotechnology, we would have not got the vaccines.
right.
So everywhere it's applied.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your time here and for giving your insightful intakes on that. And I'm looking forward to good news from the department. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.